baby aisle. And again, what are we looking for? Things that have value, that stand out. Moms love to buy on Amazon. So always pay attention to the different things in the baby section because it's definitely popular. Plates, these sippy cups are always good. Obviously, I have 4 kids, so I know what works. These are brilliant. I love those. So again, bundling, you might do something like that with maybe the Dory Zach spoons. Those two things together with a sippy cup. That's a cheap sippy cup. A plate maybe. Those are cheap plates. Or maybe a toy rubber ducky of some sort. Now most of, if not all of the products in Dollarama are actually all on Amazon.ca. So if you scan them individually, they are all on there, but a high percentage, like 90+%, don't have a ranking.